Hi everyone, it's your girl Sasha and I'm back with another video. Remember, if God brought you to it, He'll definitely bring you through it. Today I'll be making a pie. Yes, as you can see, these lovely apples just been picked from the tree. I'll be definitely making apple pie. So stay tuned to the end of the video. Now let's get into it. Here I'm having some of the preparation done, showing to you some of the ingredients that I'll be using. We'll be needing 1 egg, a tablespoon of baking powder, also a tablespoon of cinnamon powder. We've already have a cup of sugar. Our apples ready. This is all-purpose flour, vanilla extract to bring the flavoring in this dough, some apple cider vinegar, here I'm measuring out the flour. We'll be needing 2 cups of flour, next we'll be adding some baking soda, also some cinnamon powder, remember to tell a friend, to tell a friend, to tell another friend, and stay tuned to my channel for what is coming next. Here I'm just taking the cold butter from the fridge. We're going to add some butter. Here I'll be cutting up the butter to make it easier to combine with the flour. Here I'll be adding the butter to the flour. You can also leave in the comment what you would like to see me prepare next. Here I'm going to add some ice water. We're going to start to mix all these ingredients to form our dough. We want to combine the butter with the flour just for our dough to get crispy. Here we want to ensure that the combination is done properly. So we have to get our hands in there and combine all ingredients together. Our dough doesn't have to be perfect. We're not looking for a perfect dough right here. We'll now wrap our dough and place it in the refrigerator for it to set some more. While our dough is set aside in the refrigerator, we're now going to start and working on our ingredients, our main ingredient of our pie, which is the apple, our Jamaican apple. Yeah, man, you saw the juicy, our Jamaican apple. The apples can be diced to whatever size you prefer. It doesn't really matter, as you know, while it is being baked, it will shrink. Now I'm going to go ahead and add some sugar. We'll be needing a cup of sugar. We're going to add this to our apples. Here I'm basically adding some flour just to get the juice from the apple, as I don't want the pie to be wet on the inside. After all the ingredients are added to our dish of apples, we're going to now fold in all the ingredients. We're not going to mix, but we're going to fold in just to get everything in, blended in with our apples. Go ahead right now and give this video a thumbs up. Next, we'll be adding some apple cider vinegar. So right here, I think I'm finished now. Why am I still playing with it? Alright, so we're going back for our dough from the fridge. After that, we're going to flour the area where we'll be flattening our dough. Remember, our dough doesn't have to be perfect. We're going to roll our dough to the size of our baking tin. Remember, we'll need a bottom piece and also a top piece. After all this is done, we're now going to grease our baking tin. Then we'll place the bottom of our dough in our baking tin. And we'll get ready now for our main ingredient, which is our apple. We're going to add it on top of that dough that was placed at the bottom of the tin. Now we're just going to spread it out evenly. After spreading this out evenly, we want to ensure that we gather each side of our dough over the baking tin, of course, before we add our top piece. of the other dough. After covering the ingredients with the top dough, we're now going to use some egg wash to put on the top of the dough and also to bore holes to make some air vents for the air to pass through while baking. With our oven being already heated, we'll place it inside and bake this for approximately 1 hour. Oh wow, look at that! My finished pie, apple pie, Sasha's kitchen, creative ways. Go ahead guys, hit that subscribe button, like, and stay tuned for more interesting ways of developing more products. Here you can have with your favorite ice cream.